सर्गेस्त गोपाळ गावकराचे यादीन बांदिल्ले सातेरी पिसानी संस्थेच्या कॉलेजीचे बिरेस्तारा 20 तारखेर उक्तावण जातले। दारबांदोड्या संजीवनी साखर कारखान्याच्या लागसार ही कॉलेज उबारल्या। इत्सूक विद्यार्थ्यांक हे कॉलेजीन चडांत चड कोर्स माफक खर्चान शिकूंक मेळटले अशें सातेरी पिसानी शिक्षण संस्था म्हणटा। 20 तारखेसावन BBA आनी हेर कांय कोर्साच्यो क्लासी कॉलेजीन सुरू जातल्यो। आमदार गणेश गावकार संस्थेचो संस्थापक अध्यक्ष।
फर्स्ट कॉलेज इन गोवा एज वेल एज इन इंडिया आणि हेजे बरोबर आमचे BCom आसा एक डिविजन BComaचे आसता। दोन्ही BCom BBAची जी पळय डिविजन आसा दोन डिविजन आसा आमचे कडेन आनी दोन्ही फूल जाल्ले आसा। आमचो एक प्रयत्न आसा की आमच्या नव्या दारबांदोडा तालुक्यात शिक्षणाची सोय ज्या पळय सामके गरीब भुरगे आसा इकॉनॉमिकली बॅकवर्ड आसा तांकां सोयीस्कर जावचें आनी त्या खातीर आमी हो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा।
With 2 divisions, and we have created one record in the country for being the first aided institution which will offer BBA at the lowest possible fees in the state of Goa. We have also done a unique thing with regards to provision of the best infrastructure. All our classrooms are fitted with LCDs. We have free Wi-Fi facility, internet facility, and the payments to the lecturers would be made more and above the UGC scales. Probably this is the first institute to do so. We have also provided, taken the opportunity to provide transport facility to all the students. Last time when we talked with you all, we had told you that we want to present a unique institution which no other institution in the state of Goa has. Now we will be very happy to present before you our perspective plan as well as architectural designs of our institution, which would make it as not only a model institution in the state of Goa, but as the vision of our Honorable MLA goes, we are positioning ourselves to be one of the best institution in the country as a whole.
बिरेस्तारा सावन पणजे कांपालार स्विमींग पुलार 30वी राष्ट्रीय एक्वेटिक सर्त सुरू जाता। स्विमींग आनी डायव्हिंग प्रकारान ही सर्त जातली। 27 राज्यांतल्यान मेळून सुमार 650 भुरगीं ह्या सर्तीन वांटेकार जातात। बुधवारा पत्रकार परिशदेन गोंय स्विमींग संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष दिगंबर कामतीन मिडियाक सर्तीची म्हायती दिली।
Aquatic Championship 2013 is being organized by Goa Swimming Association under the auspices of Swimming Federation of India from 20th June to 23rd June 2013 at Kampal. Total around 27 states and union territories of Swimming Federation of India affiliated units are participating in the championship. We expect around 625 competitors, around 350 boys and around 275 girls, and at least 100 team officials who are going to come to participate in these championships across the country. Swimming Federation of India has also invited 70 top referees, technical officers from all over India to run the championship with international standards and decorum.
To raise the prevalent standard of swimming by Goan swimmers, and what do you suggest to for the improvement?
In fact, last Commonwealth, we had Kalasha Prabhu, Goan girl, who was selected as part of the Commonwealth. Even now, she is under training. I think she had gone abroad for a. So that way. No, it is, see, for any player to come up in swimming or in any sports to that extent, to come up in that particular class, you require devotion and time. Today, unfortunately, we find very few people who are fully devoted. They must eat swimming, they must drink swimming, and they must sleep swimming. That is the situation today if you want to become an ace swimmer in the country. Otherwise, you come to a particular level and then you automatically are not able to devote.
पावसाच्या रुद्र अवताराक लागून उत्तर पूर्व भारतातले 4 धाम तीर्थयात्रेची सध्या वेगळीच परिस्थिती जाल्या। न्हयांक हुंवार येवन रस्ते बुडिल्ल्यान 70,000 वयर यात्रेकरू वेगवेगळे सुवातींनी अडकल्यात। हुंवारान मरण आयिल्ल्यांच्या आंकड्याचो अदमास करप सुद्धा शक्य ना अशी परिस्थिती। लाखांनी लोकांचो प्रशासनाकडे संपर्कच तुटला। केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ, गंगोत्री, यमुनेत्रीन भिरांकूळ परिस्थिती जाल्या. देवाच्या पांया कडेन आयिल्लो हो प्रलय पळयात. इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.